These for all the young people and young companies who are aspiring and wanting to explore this wonderful opportunity that is digital marketing. Hi, my name is Sukumar and I am one of the lead trainers at DigitalCollege. Now coming to digital marketing is one of the most sought after skills, especially in today's world, especially after COVID. Right? As per Search Engine Land report and also Google Trends data, it shows that it is the top 3 skill sets required in today's world, and also that increases the employability for especially the youngsters. Now, why digital marketing is so sought after? Why do you think so? Let's understand. Now, digital marketing is nothing but using the internet to make your digital marketing strategy move forward, to propagate your products using the digital way. What are the necessary things? We need all these digital assets in place to make sure that our digital marketing strategy goes in forward. Okay, now coming to again, so what's the difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing? Now, traditional marketing is broadcasting some generalized kind of message to huge audience. What are the limitations? The scope for personalizing the message is very limited. Whereas using digital medium in digital marketing, we have impeccable scope to make sure that we use our messages in a personalized manner so that we increase our conversions by pointing those messages at the right audience. That is the advantage in digital marketing. Digital marketing strategy is as effective as your digital assets. What are the digital assets? Digital assets are your website, your social media accounts such as your Facebook accounts, your Instagrams, your LinkedIn's, your Twitter, and also your YouTube channels. And also, you should have your effective search engine marketing strategy. You're going to use all these channels to drive traffic to your website. Your website is effectively your web store. That means when people are coming from your social channels or from your search engine, they are trying to engage your content in your web page. So your web page is nothing but if the content is good in your web page, that means more people are engaging and more people will convert. Convert is nothing but conversions in digital marketing is nothing but sales, achieving the objective. Now, one of the most important thing in all these strategies, how you convey your message. What we call it as how effectively you are able to communicate. That means how effectively you're able to put your story about your product or service. That story may be in one sentence, or it may be an image, or it may be in a video. The more effective you are in conveying this story, that means that many people will engage with your content in your web page. If more people are engaging, that means that likelihood is more conversions, more sales. How to develop these effective strategies, how to structure them. Let me show you by sharing the screen. Let me put you all this in a mind map so that we understand more. Let me share the screen. Come on. It is very easy to understand. So let us try to understand digital marketing. Okay. So now digital marketing, let us understand from the point of view of marketing. Again, marketing is the strategy will be how to convey your story. That is about your product or service. This is the key in digital marketing. When you're trying to use the digital channels, the marketing strategy revolves around how you convey the story. The story might be in one sentence. It is called a headline or a meta tag, whatever. It can be using an image It also can be using a video. Sometimes it can also be using an audio. Right? So these are the ways where we can pass our marketing message to our audience. So from digital marketing, what we are understanding is to convey our message using digital channels, we're going to use a story. We're going to make sure that our story reaches our audience. The story can be in a sentence or an image or a video or an audio. Okay, once we are ready, once we know how to do this, how do we do about this story, these marketing messages? We need to have an idea of designing, using designing tools. To create this, we should have an idea of using the tools. Digital marketing is a tool play. We need to use the right tools for our right messaging, the right tools to make sure that the right channel gives the right conversions or right result. So in order to, in this case, to make sure that our story is put in place, we need to have an idea of using designing tools. So what are the various designing tools like Canva, Snapper, etc. So here is what your designing or your digital marketing skills starts to blossom. This is where you'll start. Once you know how to design, then you are now ready to do a content for your website. Once you know how to design, that means how you know how to spread your message. That means now you are in a position to put that designing, that content into a website. So for this, you should have a website development skill, even without any technical knowledge. No tech knowledge required. So you're going to put this content into your website, and how will you develop the website? You are getting WordPress website building skill. So once you know how to design, you're going to put those designing content, and to put that content, you need a website. To develop a website, you're going to use WordPress, which is also called as CMS. Using this WordPress CMS, you will start developing your own website. So we have taken care of content, we have taken care of design, and we have taken care of website. So one digital asset is ready. Now is the time to make sure all our digital assets are in place. Now that our website has got developed, so what are the digital assets? Website, our social media accounts, and also our email. All these are our digital assets. Once these are in place, what we can do is we have to market this. We have to make sure that we develop a digital marketing strategy. When I'm saying digital marketing strategy, what do I mean? What are the channels would be the best? So I can use search engines, Then I can use social media apps. What are the apps? Like Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. These are the leading social media channels. You may have various other channels, but these are the leading social channels. What we can do? We are going to drive traffic from these search engines and from our social media apps. We're going to drive the traffic to our website. Now, once our designing skills and content skills, our website skills are in place, we have our digital assets in place. Once our digital assets are in place, we're going to devise a strategy of making sure that what are the channels we're going to use to make sure that we tell the story of our product to our audience. Audience, where are the audience present? What is the meaning of audience? Audience is nothing but a potential customer. So, where are these audience located? They are using search engines. Billions of people are using search engines. Billions of people are using these social media apps. Most of them are using Facebook or Insta. Any of us, at least one application they might be using. So, we're going to use these channels to reach our audience. Okay. Now, once we use these channels, what are we doing? We're going to get traffic. We drive traffic using these channels to our website. Our website it can also be a web store where we are marketing our product, where we present our product or a service to our potential customer. So what are they called? They're called as audience. So when they come and visit our website, depending on the content, whatever we have used here, whatever the way we have told, it might be in a text format, image format, audio format, or video format, they will start liking, they start engaging. This engagement will lead to what? Enquiries. And that further leads to conversions. This is the key. This is what is the fundamental way of understanding digital marketing. To use all this, to make sure that all this strategy falls in place, each and every stage has a tool. Now, in the designing stage, there is a Canva and Snapper tools to learn, to get skilled in these tools to make sure that our content is in place. Now, to develop our website, we should have a skill to develop the website using content management systems like WordPress. Now, in order to use search engines, we need to use certain optimization techniques called SEO. And we can also use ad networks like Google to showcase our product or service. So what are the tools we need to learn here? In terms of SEO, we need to make sure that we have good skills or knowledge about keyword research tools. In terms of ad networks, we should have good experience in Google Ads tool. When we are using Facebook or Instagram, we should be skilled in Facebook Business Manager, or it's called as Meta Suite. We should have the tool knowledge. We should have the skill to use these tools to set up ads so that we can use the content skills to show to our potential audience using these tools, either using organic way or using inorganic way. Organic way is optimizing your post in your social media without making the user to click on your post and directing them to your website without paying anything to the social media tool or account or application. Whereas inorganic way is having enough knowledge in using the ad tool like Facebook Business Manager. We're going to pay to the tool to show our message to the potential audience. Both organic and inorganic way, we should have enough tool knowledge so that those particular tools will drive us to give the right conversions. Okay, so this is about the simple way of understanding how different tools work. There's one more important tool which I'd like to explain here. Once we start getting enquiries by driving traffic to our website, we need to have a lead management system, or we can also call it as email marketing system. We can also call it as automation. So that using these email marketing automation system, we will have enough skill to nurture our leads. Any inquiries will be lead. So to make sure that we nurture those inquiries, we need to have enough knowledge of managing these tools. That is, it might be the email marketing automation system. This is one more tool we need to make sure that we have the skill. What are the various skills we have learned here? Designing skills, website development skills, search engine optimization skills, Google Ads skill, Facebook Business Manager skill, and also email marketing and automation skill to make sure that we nurture the leads. How was it? Isn't it great? These are the opportunities available in digital marketing, especially digital marketing skills are the most sought after skills in today's world, because everything, all the people are in digital medium. They have started using more and more digital medium. That means that much more opportunities for a skilled digital marketer. So walk into our office. Let's discuss more, and let me tell you more about digital marketing skills and the fantabulous opportunities that digital marketing skills provides. Okay, thank you.